Project related to this is funded by Sindh HEC, and we are trying to do two things. One is to develop a design strategy, the other is to develop a design itself. The methodology that we have adopted is the hybrid method, because we rely on analytical models as well, because we are doing simulation, but we do rely on those analytics based on some audited data. That gives us a realistic number that what is going on in that particular building. So that is why the kind of a sketch or the concept of the hybrid method is that what we do is that we perform energy simulations assisted through energy audit results. And then we basically use these to determine, okay, what could be the improvement guidelines for a particular house, particular building, and then we conform it through what we call as living lab setup. Now the living lab setup is when you are using that facility, you are living in it, and harmless sensors are installed in it to get the data, and then we measure it and analyze it over the period of time to find out what the problems were. So it's not just 2-3 houses, but we would basically document the whole community's data, occupant behavior, how they are using those facilities as well. The problems are kind of similar to what we had found out in simulation. Then we finally propose the conformed guidelines. So this is how it works with respect to whole energy efficiency assessment in the hybrid integrated model. The integration of the living lab and virtual reality. Now that is a very interesting. The design process requires you to have different stakeholders embedded within a same mindset. And it's a French terminology which is called SHEC process. The whole idea is integrated design process. Within the integrated design process, when you have to develop an innovative building, you go through a SHEC process. The SHEC process requires you to have assessments of various things in addition to energy efficiency assessment. Now, in order to perform that assessment, it's not just assessment through the design phase, but also if you have to change the design features. A lot of times, lack of visualization does not allow you to do that. So visualization can incorporate a lot of things, and the best thing available to do that is either mixed or virtual or augmented reality. So that is what our idea is, that we want to develop prototype designs and design guidebook for, say, for 2, 3, 4, 5 types of houses in different regions, specifically focusing mega city of Karachi, which could be directly used. कि जी अगर आपने डिस्ट्रिक्ट ईस्ट में घर बनाना है तो ये आपने डिज़ाइन उठाया, लगा दिया, VR में इंटीग्रेट किया, डिज़ाइन कंफर्म किया, it would be an energy efficient design. If there are certain changes, we would give you right away. That is what we are trying to do, so that we can convert this home designing thing into a kind of a manufacturing, and then we would develop the design book.